If you're looking for a newly renovated Inter-Terrace with a modern facade, smart home features, awesome location and also near great schools, then I've got the place for you. Presenting to you, Saga House. Before I show you the home, let me provide you with some key facts. This is a 3-story Inter-Terrace of Jalan Rindu, District 19, a peaceful landed estate in the Upper Serangoon, Bartley area. It sits on a plot of 2,064 square feet, with a build-up of about 2,386 square feet. Originally constructed in 1990s, the frontage of the house has been facelifted in 2023. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors replace the original concrete walls to modernize the home. It also helps to bring sunlight indoors, making this Inter-Terrace feel very bright and airy. On the first floor, we have a parking porch, the open-plan living-cum-dining, kitchen, powder room, courtyard, as well as storage under the staircase. The intention is to maintain a spacious communal feeling on the ground floor to host family and friends whenever they come around. The original kitchen has been completely gutted out and the current setup is brand new with a statement island countertop as the centerpiece. An extension has been done on the ground floor to maximize the internal space. At the same time, the courtyard has also been given a facelift with bamboo trees lining the boundary. This zen and calming site provides a recharge from the daily hustle and bustle. Oh yes, notable mention, this back gate leads you to a bus stop. It's also a short walk away from Bartley MRT. We are also near Next Shopping Mall and Serangoon MRT, which is a 2-line interchange for the Northeast and Circle lines. This location is seriously unbeatable, especially for a landed home. Besides a well-thought-out laundry area, there's also a dedicated bath area for furry friends in the courtyard. This is home to a young couple and all the bedrooms are located upstairs. On the second floor, 2 bedrooms have been combined and turned into a luxurious master suite. Complete with a walk-in wardrobe and a dedicated bathroom with his and hers vanity. Let's head up to the 3rd floor. I really love these arched windows at the stairway. It's so grand and emphasizes the ceiling height of the home. On this level, you have 2 common rooms, currently used as the study and the guest room. There is also a common bathroom on this floor. Through Bartley Road, drivers are also able to get on CTE and KPE. Let's talk about schools. Maris Stella High School, Paya Lebar Methodist Girls and Yangzheng Primary are all within 1 km radius, with 5 other good schools within the 2 km radius as well. Thanks for joining me on this home tour. I'm Michelle from OrangeTee AAG Division. See you soon. Hey Google, I'm leaving.